Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, and it was all in the bearish direction. So a lot of eyeballs watching this one moving forward, and definitely a little interesting setup here taking place. And this comment will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that get beat down all of a sudden make some very, very nice comebacks, and not necessarily reversals, but at least bounces from a trading perspective can be very profitable. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there's a big beat down doesn't mean that the price is automatically going to just turn itself around. I mean, a stock that gets beat down can continue to get beat down. So that's why, as always, risk control parameters are very important. But like I said, from this angle, a very interesting setup here. And in the very near term, let me just get this drawn into play here. But what we have here in the very, very near term, let me change that to green to represent the support part. But we have a nice little falling wedge pattern, and that is actually a bullish pattern. You would think falling wedge means bearish, but actually a rising wedge is bearish. But one of those, I don't know who named those patterns, but anyways, it is what it is. But point here being for this setup is you do have a nice little bullish pattern, which doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to go up, but is it at least a rational thought that maybe the price is getting ready to, try to turn itself around a little bit? I mean, think about this one. Even if it goes up a little bit, I mean, that could be a very nice percentage move given the price range on it. But that's the level here that I'm very curious about. So watching that resistance area very closely, and if the price can get up through there, then I mean, nothing's guaranteed, but it's at least it's a valid thought to have that could very well create more buying pressure. Now, of course, if the price just blasts down through that green line and breaks the support, well, at that point, the falling wedge has been, destroyed, and that just symbolizes that the price is continuing to get beat down that much more. But overall, keep an eye on that falling wedge, and let's see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.